Showing you how to make this origami cup, which could actually hold water if you use like a harder piece of paper, and yeah, or if you use cardboard, but that's pretty hard. Alright, it's like super easy, like you do it in like 10 seconds. Alright, so first you want to fold it in half from this corner to the other one. Increase. Like that. And then fold this edge down here to the bottom. Increase. Unfold it and fold this corner to this point right here. And then fold this corner to this point over here. Now fold this flap down here. Turn it around and fold this flap down here. Now put it like this and use your finger and open it up, and then you have a cup. And now I'll show you guys that it could actually hold water. See? It's not leaking. Yeah. And that's your origami cup. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.